In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Bitcoin on PayPal. We'll go from logging in to seeing your purchase confirmed, and I'll point out what to check along the way so everything goes smoothly. First, log into your PayPal account on the web or in the app. From your dashboard, look for the crypto option. If you don't see it right away, open the Finances tab at the top and choose crypto there. This takes you to PayPal's Crypto Hub, where you can view supported coins and market information. If you're prompted to verify your identity, go ahead and complete that now. PayPal may ask for basic personal details or a photo of an ID. This is a standard requirement for financial services, and it helps keep your account secure. Make sure the information you enter matches your PayPal profile to avoid delays. In some cases, you might be asked to confirm your address or date of birth. Verification can be quick, but plan for a few minutes just in case. Once you're in, review the list of available cryptocurrencies and select Bitcoin. On the Bitcoin page, click Buy. You'll see preset amounts, or you can choose to enter a custom value. PayPal lets you buy starting from as little as $1, so feel free to start small. Enter the amount you want to spend, for example, $5, then click Next. As you type, you'll see a live price estimate, so you have a clear idea of how much Bitcoin your money will purchase at the current rate. Now choose how you want to fund the purchase. You can pay with your PayPal balance, pick a linked bank account, or add a new bank if you don't have one connected yet. Make sure the funding source you select has enough funds and is the one you intend to use. Before you finalize, carefully review the transaction details. Check the current Bitcoin exchange rate, the purchase amount, any fees, and the total cost you'll pay. Rates can update frequently, so take a second to confirm everything looks right. If anything seems off, you can go back and adjust the amount or funding source. This is your final checkpoint. If the quote refreshes, pause for a moment and review again. When you're ready, click Buy Now to complete the purchase. After a moment, you'll see a confirmation showing the amount of Bitcoin you bought based on the rate at the time of purchase. The confirmation will also display a transaction reference and the total charged, which you can keep for your records. And that's it. Simple and straightforward. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more clear step-by-step PayPal tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.